What's up, guys? This is Dirt Bike Guy 77. This is my 2020 crf250f, and we're at a private track right now. And I'm gonna try to hit some jumps. It rained a lot, so it's kind of wet, muddy, but should be fun. That was the first couple of clips of the ramps, the first clip. It's still a little bit too wet here, too muddy. Every time I land, I almost slide out. I might try to hit this jump over here, and we'll check it out, yeah. What's up, y'all? The track is a little too muddy, too wet right now, so I'm just gonna hit up the gravel pit now, and you'll see some clips from there. Yeah. Guys, we're not at the gravel pit yet. We just found a Ford crossing, and my filmer wants me to drive through it, so we're gonna do that.
Mama Bear's home.
That's it for today, guys. Peace. What up, guys? This is Dirt Bike Guy 77. I'm telling you, it's the next day. I didn't go to the gravel pit yesterday. I ended up picking up my daughter from my mom's house. So there was no clips at the gravel pit, just clips of me hitting some jumps and doing whatever in the video. But this morning I woke up, taking care of my daughter, and then I found out my boots came in today. So that's a bonus, because you always gotta stay geared up and safety first. So thanks for watching, subscribing. Oh yeah, I wanted to shout out to my little filmer there, Rocky. Thanks, my man. You get some good shots and more videos to come. Thanks, guys.